Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I am going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows computer that reads DX11 features level 10.0 is required to run the engine. So if you're coming across this message, you're using Steam or Valorant and unable to proceed to the game or applications, and then I'll show you how to resolve that. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na DXDIAG. Ayan, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung run command DXDIAG, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. Okay, so makikita mo kaagad dito, and then mag-pop up itong DirectX diagnostic tool. So dito sa system, and then kailangan mo lang i-check dito sa ating system informations yung kanyang version. So nandito yung DirectX versions and DirectX 12, makaibigan, ito yung version niya. Alright, and other details naman, so makita mo lahat dito. Okay, so dito sa display tab ay makikita mo dito yung kanyang features labels. So hindi lahat ng graphics card ay nakasupport sa features level 10.0. So while you're in the display tab, so dito lang sa DirectX features, so kailangan lang naka-enable tong tatlo na DirectX Draw Accelerations, Direct 3D Accelerations, and yung AGP Textures Accelerations, dapat naka-enable dyan. And then dito naman sa kanyang drivers ay makikita mo dito yung kanyang features labels, mga kaibigan. Nandito lahat. Alright, so if you've ensured that your computer meets the requirements to run the game, but the DX11 features level 10.0 is required to run the engine, the error still persists, so kailangan mo lang itong next page. Okay, so click mo lang dito yung next page para ma-resolve yung problem. Right, and then next step, so close lang natin yan at dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Valorant DX11 features level 10.0 is required to run the engine in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.